Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Script and Execute. My name is Shruti, and this video is the continuation of my previous video, that is how to use collections in automation. Okay, so here I've explained what is collections and where actually we use collections in automation. Okay, and as part of this video I've covered arrays. Okay, so today I will show you set. Okay, let's get started. Set. Okay, so set is a collection type. Okay, set is a collection type and it stores only unique values. Remember this point. Set stores only unique values. Okay, and set is dynamic in size. Set is dynamic in size. It means we can add or remove any items anytime. Okay, next is set is iterable. So it means we can loop through the elements in the set. Okay, and important point to remember is set will remove the duplicates automatically. Okay, this is very important. It removes duplicate values. Okay, so set removes duplicate values. Okay, so I think this point is enough to understand what is set. Okay, so important thing is set stores only unique values. Okay, so it will not store any duplicate values. Okay, and insertion order is maintained. Okay, so to show you this I will use Flipkart application. Okay, so here I will search a product, say laptop, and what I'll do is I'll fetch the product title. Okay, so here as we can see the result, first product is Dell and second one is HP and third one is Samsung and fourth one is also Samsung and fifth one is also Samsung. And as you can notice here, products are getting repeated. Okay, it means there are duplicate values in this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll fetch all the product names and I will store it in an array. Okay, so there I will show you how array stores duplicate values. Okay, and what I'll do, I will convert the array into set. So set will remove the duplicates. Okay, so let's get started. And here as you can see that, so the first text is the brand name. Correct, Dell, HP. So the first text is the brand name. So what I'll do, I'll fetch the product name and I'll use split method and I will take only the first word, that is brand name. Okay, so let's get started. I have the spec file ready. Okay, so what we need to do, first we need to enter the product name. Correct, so let us inspect the search bar. Okay, it has name is equal to Q. Let us take this, copy. Okay, so control F, I will say input. Okay, one matching element. Let us take this. Await page dot locator. This is the locator. Dot fill, I want to fill or enter laptop. Okay, so here I'll make you single quote. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to press enter. Laptop, I entered laptop, then I want to enter, I want to press enter key in my keyboard. Okay, so for that I will do await page dot keyboard dot press. What I want to press, I want to press enter. So in a single quote I will type enter. Okay, so this will press the enter key in my keyboard. Okay, so next what I want to do, I will give some wait. Await page dot wait for locator, sorry, wait for timeout. I will use wait for timeout. I will give some 5 seconds. Okay, so now after that I've got the result. So now I'll inspect the title. There is class. Let us take this. Okay, so 24 matching elements. I'll press enter. So it is highlighting the product titles. Okay, so I will take this class and I will get the text content of all the products. So const, I will say brand names is equal to, or first it will be all brands is equal to await page dot locator. So this is the locator. This is a class, so I'll put dot all text contents. So it will give the text content of all the products. Okay. Okay. So now let us print this and see. Okay. All brands. So after this, we will apply map method and we will split the text. Okay. So map is to go through the each product name. Okay. So it entered the product. Okay. So we have got all the product names here. Okay, so we have got all the product names. We can see this HP, Dell, Samsung. So now what we want to do, we want only the brand name, that is HP, Dell, Samsung. So we will apply split method. Okay. Okay. So const, I will store this in brand names. Brand names is equal to all brands is this one where it has all the brands dot map. Okay, so map is to go through each element one by one. Okay, so I will say ele, or I can say product, anything you can call. Okay, so this is just a temporary variable. Okay, map product is equal to greater than symbol. This is an array function. Okay, so this is just a short function. Okay, we can say this is just a short function, and what this short function will do is it will split the text for us. Okay, so product dot what I want to do. So here, so this product is this first one. Okay, so this is the first product, and what I want to do in this, I want to apply split method. Correct. So I took again product dot split, and what I want to split, I want to split it by space. Correct. So here we can see we can split it by space. So inside the split method within a single quote, I will give a space. Okay, and what I want only the first one. Correct. So I will say in a square bracket I will put 0. So it will give me the first word, that is HP. Okay. Okay, so now, so I've got the only, so here I've got only the brand names. Okay, so let us print this. Console.log, so we'll say brand names. Then after this, we will convert this array into set. Okay. So this will also contain duplicates. Okay. So this is because we are storing this, all these things in array. Okay. So we can see that here it gave only the brand names, HP, Dell, Samsung. Okay, so now, so this is an array. So now we will convert this array into set. Okay, so we'll create a variable to keep the set. I will say unique brand. Okay, so this is the set name is equal to new set, new set. And which one we want to convert? We want to convert this brand names. Copy brand name. S is capital. Okay, so now we have converted this array into set. How to convert? Simple, is equal to new set, and here we need to pass the array name. Okay, so now let us print the set values. Okay, so console.log unique brands. So this is how we convert array into set, and set displays or give only the unique values. Okay, so whenever your requirement is only to validate with the unique values, we can use set. Okay, and if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So it entered laptop. So if we say this, okay, so I'll scroll up a little. See, only there are only seven unique brands here: HP, Dell, Samsung, Lenovo, Acer, Motorola, and Apple. So this is the difference between array and set. This is an array, so we can see it has duplicate values, where set has only unique values. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understood this example. So again, I'm saying if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to show you any other example, please do comment. Thank you so much for watching.